Good morning. Welcome to RSL Travel, Leisure, and Food Vlogs. Today we'll be cooking the creamiest chopsuey recipe. Now, this is my own version of chopsuey, which I will be introducing to you right now. Disclaimer, the ingredients that I have added will be a lot different to the normal chopsuey. So, uh, these are my choices of ingredients. We have here the vegetables, the chop suey cut. We have here some shredded chicken, about one breast of shredded chicken. This one here is squid rolls, 500 grams of squid rolls, but we're going to use only about 250 grams. Then we have here some seasoning, the oyster sauce, 90 grams of oyster sauce. We have here the cream of mushroom, which I'm going to make. I'm going to add to our chop suey so that it will be creamier. So cream of mushroom, and to top it all, the Nestle cream. So right here are our spices. So onions, about 3 pieces of chopped onions, about 8 pieces of crushed garlic. We have here some chili, about 8 pieces, and some young corn. Now I'm done frying about 250 grams of these squid rolls, and we here have our white pepper. So now we can begin cooking. Now we're gonna pour in the mushroom corn and required. I'm adding more water. Now we will add